Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kayla, for those who don't know me. It has almost been a year since I started recording this video, but I'm so excited to finally share it with you guys. So basically, for those who don't really know my story, I moved to the US to study at Cornell University last year in August, and it is almost June now. But I started recording this video last year as soon as I got here to kind of give you guys a room tour and an apartment tour. But just as soon as I started class, there was a lot going on and it was kind of a lot harder than I expected, so I just didn't have enough time to edit, but I'm planning to do a lot more of that this semester. Anyways, today's video is just going to be me showing you the essentials I got for my room and what you should bring if you're going to study abroad, and how you can set up your room and a few ideas. So I hope you guys enjoy. Target right now buying things for my room. It was a pretty productive shop. I got everything I needed and then took the bus to start setting up my room. Okay, so as soon as you walk in, the bed was actually positioned like that, but I moved it here. And yeah, I just got that huge pillow. I think that was from Target, and my throw pillow as well. And then I ordered my bedding online, which was super convenient because I didn't have to go buy that from Dormco. So I would definitely check that out. I think you get a student discount, which is amazing. Then I actually brought these posters from home. I got Pinterest inspiration for this and I think it looks pretty cool. So yeah, that's it. And then I do have these very vintage vinyls, which I got from my grandma's house. Moving on to this part of the room, I have my clothing rack, which is pretty cool. I actually am obsessed with it. I usually keep my slippers there, my indoor shoes, and yeah, the shoes I use the most, and yeah, some basics as well. I have my handbags there, most of my purses, and then here I just have a bathroom caddy. I don't really take it to the bathroom because I do have stuff there already, but it just has some stuff that I use while I'm in my room mostly. Then moving on, I have this plant which is pretty cool, and I actually got this vase thing from the pot from Michael's, and I painted it kind of to match the vibe of the room. And this is just me starting to paint the pot. It was really fun. I had no idea what I was gonna do with it, but just looked up some Pinterest inspiration and yeah, just kind of made it match all my other decorations in the room. But that was definitely really fun to do. But I just have that set up there. I got this mirror. I just put all my jewelry in there. So with my necklaces, have my water bottle, my ring light and stuff, and then just my keep cup. I did hang some fairy lights up. I will show you guys how they look at night, but it is pretty cool. Then moving on, I do have that side of the room, which I also decorated a bit. I have some architecture magazines, this book that I got from my dad, and then the vintage like vinyls cases that I was telling you about, and also those two, which I think are pretty cool, and some Polaroids with my friends, and my sunglasses, and another water bottle. And here is the closet space. I did get this like rack thing to kind of put like belts and like socks and underwear and all of that in there, and I have all my hanging stuff here. I did actually get a shoe rack. It's pretty unorganized right now, and that's all the stuff that I need to take into architecture once we get our desks. So I'm just leaving it there for now, and I just have all my hoodies and kind of like more winter clothes in there. So yeah, and finally I'm just gonna go over this desk space with you guys. So I have some like stationery in here, face masks, scissors, all of that good stuff. Then I have makeup in here and some other like lotions and stuff that I use, hair stuff. Down here I just keep my electronics, and then down here I kind of have like a bit of everything. So my straightener, some other like bags. I do have like my earrings in here and some COVID tests. So yeah, it's just like a very random drawer, kind of chucked everything that wouldn't fit anywhere else in there. So that is basically everything. So I will quickly go over this. This is our bathroom. I'll show you just my stuff. This is my cabinet space. Have like some stuff in there, and we just kind of divided all like the common spaces. We do have some pretty nice stuff here. Really nice kitchen, couches, some amazing windows, and this other like big table, which is pretty cool, and some storage space. And I actually just love the brick walls in the living room. It's so pretty. Our place did come furnished, and I know a lot of like rentals in Ithaca don't come furnished, but it was super convenient that ours did. We didn't like need to buy like kitchen stuff like pots, pans and stuff, but we just divided that with my roommates. Like we each brought like where we could, and I think we have like a pretty complete set now, which is pretty amazing. So of course, like apart like the decorations that I did go over, I feel like it's super important to like make your room feel like home and be like something you like, because you probably like will be spending some time in your room. This is not essential at all, but like I do love a nice rack, and I do like having a place to like hang all my bags. And you definitely should consider getting one of these like bathroom caddies if you are like especially living in a dorm room. I know that's not my situation. I have like most of my stuff in my bathroom, but like these are some things that I just will use in my room. I think plants like are definitely a super good addition to like a bedroom. They add like a bit of greenery and make the place more lively. I would definitely consider getting like a burrito all the time, which is pretty cool. My roommates brought like 2 of like the big like burritos, so like we have those in the fridge, and I just got this water bottle which I'm taking to class and stuff, which is pretty good. I think this is also pretty useful, like to have hanging on the side of your bed. You can put your phone in. I still haven't set it up, but I'm probably just gonna put my charger in, like a book I'm reading, and yeah, have that next to my bed, which is super convenient. Then I do have that little laundry basket, which is pretty cool because I can take that out and take it to the laundry room, which is inside the building. I would also look into getting a full-length mirror, because I feel like if you don't have one in your apartment or room, it's just like nice to have one and be able to like look at your outfits and stuff or whatever you use it for. And I think like getting a shoe rack is also a good idea. I'm gonna get like another level for it because there are some shoes that like don't fit, so I am thinking of getting another level for that. It was only like $3 or something, so pretty accessible. And this is basically how I organize my drawers. Did it kind of by color, and then I rolled them up. I am sure this will get like really untidy in a few days though, but yeah, trying to keep it neat at least. But yeah, basically have like just crop tops in one, shorts as well, all rolled up, then my jeans and pants. So yeah, that is basically it. This is a rack with my favorite shoes and jackets, and basically this is the final outcome of the room. There's still a few things I want to add in the future, but I'm pretty happy with how it's looking. Setting it up was definitely lots of fun. I am glad I got to Ithaca a few weeks before starting class, because I did this very just slowly and thinking it through, so that was definitely very helpful in the process. And like I said, I did bring most decorations from home, so I didn't really need to buy much of that. I did have it like quite planned out in my head of how I wanted to look, so at least that was already planned before I got there. Even though the room is pretty small, I'm happy I made it work, and I do get lots of natural light, so that's nice at least. Anyways, thank you so much for watching today's video. I really enjoyed showing you guys around my new place. Like I said, this was all recorded a year ago when I got here to Ithaca. So a lot of things have changed in the apartment, but I will show that in a later video. And before I end this video, just wanted to show you guys our apartment cat, Loki. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.